Hello, my name is Miranda Wade, and I am broadly interested in using omics tools to address conservation questions. As I am currently speaking to you from Michigan State University, I would like to acknowledge that I am on the occupied ancestral, traditional, and contemporary lands of the Anishinaabe, Three Fires Confederacy of Ojibwe, Ottawa, and Potawatomi peoples. The university resides on land ceded in the 1819 Treaty of Saginaw. To begin, the demand for renewable energy is ever growing, and solar energy is appealing to developers as it is one of the cleanest, most efficient forms of alternative energy. Arid lands have some of the highest solar energy potential in the world. One such region is the Mojave Desert of the southwestern United States, the location of our study site. Specifically, our study was in the Ivanpah Valley, which is within the ancestral lands of the Southern Paiute and Western Shoshone peoples. We were given the opportunity to complete site surveys and take samples of a rare desert plant, Mojave milkweed, in and around a solar facility. Since we have limited knowledge of the population genetics of desert plants, we needed to determine the current population structure of the milkweed before we could determine how best to conserve it. Are there distinct populations? If there are distinct populations, how are they structured? And finally, is there unique diversity within the plants in the solar facility that could be lost if extirpation occurs? What we found was that the plants from the sampling sites clustered into discrete populations that were significantly differentiated from one another. To investigate further, we performed a minimum spanning network analysis that linked samples based on their pairwise genetic differences. Interestingly, the central location of the solar facility plants indicates that they may be an ancestral source of genes for the surrounding populations. We also found many alleles private to individual populations across 2 sampling years. Overall, our findings illustrate the importance in considering the population structure of rare and imperiled plants when designing renewable energy facilities, as the facility in our study clearly overlays an entire population of Mojave milkweed. Thank you for your attention.